Okay, so I'm going to go pick up Evie. This is the church. Hi, Betty.
Hi, my dear.
You're on video. I know I already said hi to you, but you're on video.
I know. Otherwise, what are you doing?
I'm showing everybody the school Evie goes to. Yeah. I know, right? A hands-on experience. Bye. There's Brian. Hi, Brian. How are you doing? Fellow
Welcome
teammate.
to Kicks.
Here's all the kids. Hi, how are you? I am. Hi, Miss Mers. Hi, teachers of Kicks. Hi. Hi, Evie. Can everybody say hi? Hi, Miss Griggs. Hi, Evie. Oh, I need the Lambrex too. I forgot. I almost forgot them. Hi, Lola. Come on, Tills. Where's Joshy? Hi, Tills.
I won't laugh at it.
Okay. Where's Big Brother?
Okay.
No, really. Where's Josh? Is he not out yet?
What?
He's not out?
We had to do this coloring stuff. No, it's
Where's your brother? Evie, don't.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah, here. Do one of me.
Okay. I want to do it.
Oh, don't touch the buttons. Look at me. Hi. This is Kicks. It rained today.
It did.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
don't make it boring. So their question must not be out yet. Okay. Hi, Lori.
Mommy, can you hold our bags so we can...
No, absolutely